Hola todos, ¿cómo están? I wanted to tell you guys about this hidden gem, this book by Lorena de la Luz Ortiz. It's a guided journal for learning Spanish because I was doing a lot of thinking and research at the time about how learning is such an individual journey and how really it's when we look for information ourselves, when we look for the answers ourselves, we tend to retain more information. But this book is a journal, just like it says. And I know it looks like, how are you supposed to learn Spanish if you're just journaling? But really, it's kind of cool because, and by the way, I got permission to talk about this book and to do a little bit of a series talking about this book. So anyway, it's kind of cool because basically this book is laid out using these symbols. They have this little, what do you call it? All that's coming to me right now is lupa because that's the word in Spanish. Anyway, this symbol right here is to search for things. So basically it tells you that you're supposed to search for whatever phrase or topic in Spanish. And this book, by the way, is written by a Spanish teacher. So, and then we have this light bulb symbol that it offers tips and suggestions. And then it says on fire, ideas for you to take your learning up a notch. And then this check mark, whenever that comes up, it's to use the space to like do the journaling, reflect, which I think is really important because it's your own learning path. So anyway, I'm gonna pause this for a second because I need to turn my camera around. And so all of that to tell you that I'm gonna do a special series using this book for people who want to learn Spanish. If you're like the independent learner type, where you're like, well, I just need to be guided in the right direction. I'm pretty good with learning on my own. Then this is going to be really cool for you. I'm going to give a whole bunch of tips, and I'm going to basically, wherever the symbol is where you look for phrases and so on, I'm going to give my recommendations for sites that you could use. So basically, this is going to be practically free. I mean, practically free because the book is I think it's like $7. I'm going to show a different video about it in just a moment. And then every resource that I'm going to show you, well, not every resource, but I will show a free resource. I will show a free resource or more for every topic that I discuss. So I think that's. Now, before I do that, I do want to show you my stuff. Because I have my own beginner Spanish course. I have this ebook, and in conjunction with this course, the two of them together is awesome. So right here, you'll notice the pricing on these, but let me show you something. Oopsie, maybe I'll show you something. Hold on, here we go. Okay, if you decide to be a member, you can get access to that book and the book and the course, and the monthly fee, which you can cancel anytime, is $29. So, and actually this membership is way more than just those two items. But since those two items are for people who are doing like independent study, or they can also be for teachers. I wanted to mention that those are included in this other membership that I'm offering, which I've talked about in other videos. I'm not going to go into that here. Okay, so now you know what's up. Go get your book and come back. Hit the like and subscribe button so that when I have the videos uploaded, you will know about it and you'll be able to come back and join me as I try to help you on your journey with your independent study of learning Spanish.